Did you know that Facebook accounts are the most compromised online accounts in the US, with nearly 68,000 hacked every single month? And this matters because Facebook isn't just for chatting anymore. We use it to stay connected with family and friends. We use it to promote our products and services. We grow communities around our brands, and even earn money through Facebook's monetization programs. That's why keeping your account safe is more important than ever. Facebook has over 3 billion active users worldwide, including almost 91 million here in the Philippines. But with that massive reach comes a massive target for hackers. Most users still rely on SMS codes or authenticator apps for two-factor authentication. While authenticator apps are safer than SMS, security experts agree that the strongest way to protect your account is with a physical security key. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Facebook security key, just like this one, step by step. So if you want to protect your connection, your business, your community, and even your income, stick around because this might be the most important Facebook tip you'll ever use. So right now, I'm here on my Facebook page. I'll go ahead and open my profile. Alright, now once you are logged into your profile, go ahead and click your avatar or your account settings on the upper right hand corner. From there, go ahead and look for settings and privacy, and then go ahead and click settings. Once you are on the settings window, go to password and security under accounts center. And then go to password and security one more time. What I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and set up two-factor authentication. So click that, and then go ahead and click the account that you're going to set up the two-factor authentication for. You will receive a code from Facebook. So just go ahead and check your email and then enter the code that was provided in the email. Then click on continue. Enter your password. Alright, so from here, we'll go ahead and choose add a backup method. So I'll go ahead and choose security keys. Then you'll need to register your security key. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and plug the security key to my computer. Alright, so once you have inserted the security, just go ahead and press the button. So the security key that I'm using is SecuX PUFIDO Clife key, and the way for this one is to press the button in the security key. I'll go ahead and click done. I'm going to use two security keys. This is to make sure that I have one as a backup. Just in case I misplace one, then I still have another that I can use as a backup plan or as a spare. So I'll go ahead and click two-factor authentication one more time. So now I have successfully added security key as a two-factor authentication for my account. Now, since I already have an authentication app and also security keys, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn off SMS or WhatsApp authentication. And the reason for that is because there have been reports of phone number hacking. So I would like to keep myself protected from those kinds of schemes. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and disable text message or SMS verification for my account. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so these are the primary options that I would like to use. I think they are stronger and a lot safer compared to having the SMS verification as a way for me to log into my account. So the next time I log into my account from a different browser or from a different device, I will have to have the authentication app or the security key so that I'll be able to go through. So what I'll do is, to demonstrate, I'll go ahead and log in using a different browser. And I have here Safari. Go ahead and log in. Alright, so all I need to do now is I'll just go ahead and click on try another way. And then I'll choose security key. Then click on continue. Then click on continue. There you go. As simple as that. I'm now logged in. Alright, so that is how you can secure your Facebook account using security key. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop those in the comments. And once again, if you're wondering what security key I'm using for this one, the security key that I used is SecuX PUFIDO Clife key. Now, I do have a link in the description. If you're going to use that link, you will also get a 10% discount if you're going to purchase using my link. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Florante, and I'll see you on the next one.